again, good friends. Welcome new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. Today we're going to take a look at 3D HD Poxy. 3D HD Poxy is a sealant blended with a Montan wax. So you have the protection of a polymer sealant, and then you get the look, the wet, warm glow of a wax, a carnauba wax. Now the Montan wax is different from basic carnauba waxes in that it's extracted from brown coal. Brown coal is only found in three main veins throughout the world: California, Germany, and a few places in China. It's extracted from the brown coal through solvents, and when it's extracted, it takes on a brown, dark yellow color. It's refined and refined until it turns a bright white, and then is blended in with the HD 3D formula. What makes this a bit different from regular waxes? It also takes a very high temperature to start breaking down the wax at 85 to 90 degrees Celsius. So, for those of you who live in hot, warm weather climates, Southern California, Texas, Florida, etc., this will be a great product for you guys if you like that look. So we're going to take a look at this product today. We're going to take it out to the shop. I have a panel ready for it. It makes dark colors look wet, dark, deeper, richer, and it makes all colors look nice and glossy. So let's see what it does to this dark panel. We're also going to see what type of protection it leaves behind. 3D HD Poxy, 500 milliliters for $14.99. It is the highest heat-resistant liquid wax on the market today. It can be applied by hand, by machine. It's user-friendly, wipes off quickly, and you wait 30-40 minutes after you apply the product till it gently and lightly hazes over. Then you can remove it, and your vehicle is protected with both a polymer sealant and then has the wet look of a carnauba wax. I've mentioned this before, but I'm going to keep hammering this home to you guys just starting out. Preparation is key for just about any detailing product. So if it's been washed and clayed and decontaminated, or if this is after a correction, hit it with an IP solution. I myself am going to follow up with Angel Wax Perfect Polish or Polish Angel Escalate Lotion, which is a very fine polish combined with a cleaner. And I'll follow that up with an IP solution again just to make sure there is no residue. That way I am positive that the clear coat is naked, and what I'm applying the product to, it will have the best bond width. It's clean, it's smooth. Applying any detailing product to a surface that hasn't been prepared is pretty much a waste. All right, this surface is now ready to receive some type of product. Protection, in this case the 3D epoxy. We're going to mask off a small area. I'm going to keep it away from the edges so when it's cured you guys can see the contrast from treated area to untreated area. Keep in mind this hood is trashed. So I'm not going to sit there and correct every little spot on it, and a lot of the scratches are actually through the clear coat because it's been sliding on different surfaces and it's in bad shape. But you're going to be able to see here, we're going to have a huge turnaround in this little test area. You can apply it by hand like I'm doing right here, and when you do that, small circular motions, massage it into the surface or straight lines. It really doesn't matter if you are in a clean environment and you have the surface prepared. You can apply it any way you want. What is key is nice, even application across the surface. And this is what it'll look like the first few seconds as it starts to cure. And you want to leave it sit on there from anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes. Removing the product is very easy. It's user-friendly, and you can see the gloss that it leaves behind already. You can also successfully distribute the product on the surface using any machine. Any machine at all, just apply your black application pad, a few dots, and you can go to town. Evenly applied throughout the panel, wait 45 minutes at most, and this is what it'll look like. Nice and thin, sort of opaque to transparent. It's nice and soft and is easy to remove. All right, let me get rid of the masking tape so we can see the contrast from the protected area to the unprotected area of the panel. Second to grab the camera so I can give you a few angles using the shop light. You can see the distinct edge of the test area. The test area is now deeper, it's darker, it's richer, it has more depth, and it's glossier. Also takes on the protection of a wax, its hydrophobic properties, not very tight beading like a ceramic coating or an SiO2 infused sealant, but nice beading. As you can see here, plenty of protection for the panel. You can still see the gloss, the borders of the test area. It hasn't been blown away by the pressure washer. Here we'll just quickly do a few things here to this. We'll beat up the epoxy. We're going to emulate driving in or pulling into a car wash. And I know after correction, some of you guys still do it. So this is pulling into a car wash. Very harsh chemicals. Somewhere on the line of 11 and 12 on the pH scale. Very alkaline. Very damaging to clear coats. So we're going to spray it on, leave it there for a little while. And there's always going to be a residue with that type of alkaline cleaner, so we'll clean that off with an IP solution, which can also break down waxes and sealants. We'll rinse that off with the high pressure water, and you're going to see when we're done messing around here, it's still going to be there. It's the protection will remain. You will still have the gloss, and you're going to have that for months, not just weeks like a regular Carnauba product. First, some final thoughts on the 3D HD epoxy. Can apply it by hand, can apply it by machine, so it's user-friendly, it has a great look to it. It's a bit more durable than your standard Carnauba wax. Again, it's Montan wax, which is extracted from brown coal. So the wax that was in plants is fossilized, and they extract that from 3 veins throughout the world, bring it out from a solvent, refine it and refine it, and then mix it in with their formula. If you have any other questions whatsoever, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.